Oops.
We all come from something. This won't take long.
Look at Harley.
All right.
She's wearing Grandma's tennis shoes.
Cute.
Look at Harley. Hey, Tweety Bee. Uh-oh, she got out the shoes. She got out the shoes. That's the bathroom door? Who got the hiccups? Who got the hiccups? Huh? Who got the hiccups? Look at Harley.
So cute.
She's doing good. I can't hardly walk in them, and you're doing good. What? Don't worry about that. So don't worry about that, Mommy.
Good job. Look at you. Good girl. Oh my goodness.
She good at those shoes.
All right.
Uh-oh, that's Mommy's glasses.